Amy Warner, certified by Weather8 for the most accurate forecast in the Ozarks.
You know, I always say high cloudiness as the sun is either rising or setting really makes for just a beautiful palette for colors. You can see that right now as the sun is already set, but we've still got some of that sunlight casting its light on the high cloudiness that's spreading in from the north right now. Beautiful. Early evening right now across the area. Temperature's really not that cold. We did manage to get well into the 50s this afternoon. 49 right now. Temperatures tonight will not be as cold as we've seen the last couple of nights. There's your high cloudiness. Again, that will continue to filter south. And it looks like for the most part overnight tonight, we're looking at mostly clear skies. And it looks like we're going to be looking at a bright and chilly start to our Wednesday. Areas to the north, we had a foggy start to the day. We don't have to worry about that tomorrow morning. It looks like there's going to be enough wind around to keep that from being a problem. As we look ahead to tomorrow afternoon, we're going to continue to find sunny skies throughout the afternoon. And you can see this front sort of edging in from the north. Winds tomorrow are going to be out of the west. And it looks like all of those warmer weather ingredients are going to be in place. We'll have sunshine. We'll have those westerly winds helping to blow in some warmer air into the area, and it looks like it is going to be a mild afternoon with afternoon readings well into the 60s. Tomorrow night, pretty much a copy of what we're going to find tonight. Looks like mostly clear skies. It'll be a chilly and bright start to our Thursday, and then Thursday afternoon, we're looking at mainly sunny conditions across the area, and it's probably going to be a touch warmer even on Thursday versus Wednesday. Temperatures both days, at least in the afternoon, running 15 to 20 degrees above normal. Here's a look at the overnight temperatures. Looks like we'll dip into the mid-30s generally across the area. A little warmer down to the south of the state line. Here in Springfield, about 36. Tomorrow, looks like we'll find afternoon highs ranging from near 70 here in southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas. In fact, I think we probably hit 70 in Harrison. It'll be close in Joplin and Branson. Here in Springfield, 67. Looks like mid-60s up to the northeast, up the interstate in places like Rolla. Tomorrow night, we'll dip back into the 30s. And then looking ahead to Thursday, take a look at that. Really looking nice Thursday afternoon. Sunshine. Wind's not terribly strong. Oftentimes in the wintertime, you get the warmth with wind, and we're not really finding that with Wednesday's warmth or Thursdays, with afternoon highs ranging from the low 70s southwest to mid to upper 60s northeast. Here in Springfield, I think we top out at 69. And with that kind of warmth this time of the year, you're kind of thinking maybe close to the record highs. And it looks like we're going to be just a few degrees off record highs on Thursday across the area. I think one spot that has a real shot at maybe tying the record, if not setting a new record, would be West Plains. But we're not going to be too far behind here in Springfield, topping out at 69, nor in Harrison, Arkansas, where it looks like we'll sneak into the low 70s. 74 is the record high for Thursday. Looking ahead to the next storm, we'll have a dip in the jet stream making its way into the western U.S. That will carve out a storm. That'll be making its way across the middle of the country on Friday. Looks like the rain sets in shortly after sunrise, and we'll find showers throughout the day on Friday into Friday night. Looks like temperatures, they're not going to be cold, but they're not going to be warm either. It looks like we only warm really into the 50s for highs ahead of this front. And then, as you would expect, it's going to get colder behind this system. In fact, it looks like it is going to be a cold, cloudy, and maybe even a little wet on Saturday. Temperatures just stuck in the upper 30s to around 40 degrees. And I think we're going to hold on to these cold conditions through Sunday as well. Here's a peek of the rain. Looks like we could get a pretty good soaking, especially south of the interstate, where totals should top the 1-inch mark. Looking at those weekend numbers, that makes you really want to enjoy the next couple of days because, again, it looks like we'll be looking at readings in the upper 30s to around 40 throughout the day on Saturday. Afternoon highs only near 40 on Sunday, and then a very cold start to Monday morning with lows in the low 20s.
30-degree difference between Thursday's high and Sunday's high, though.
Yeah.
Pretty amazing stuff.
I wish I could move the sunshine and the warmth to the weekend, but that's not the way it's going this go around.
We'll take what we can get, though.
Yeah.
All right, Jamie, thanks. A very special gift for 4 Springfield colleges and universities.